Hey guys, today I'm doing a gingerbread man. My recent video was the star, and I still have it. Later I'll do a face on him, but right now we're doing the gingerbread man, and we're gonna do it with this, which is orange. I have still 3 more packages left. I'm not gonna open those right now. So we have this, and we're gonna flatten it out. And here it is. You don't have to use a ruler. You can use your elbow. Use your face. Use your face. Use your face. Okay, so here it is. Here this guy is. He's a little weird, but here he is. And then you take the axis from his butt cracks and his face. Okay. Here he is. Let's draw faces on these two guys. He has a little eyes, his eyebrow, a little mouth and nose, and then yeah. And this guy has eye, nose, and then a mouth. Does he want hair? There, he has hair. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. So yeah, here's these two guys are, and go check out part 3.